If you want to earn a passive income by joining our referral program, then you can do so within just a few steps. From your top right menu, just press the drop down, go to Referral Program, and from here you will come to your referral program overview. You'll have a few different kinds of tabs here. You will have your linking code, and these will be your referral links that you can share with your audience. You can go to the right hand side of the link itself and press the icon for copying the link itself. Once pressed, you will see that you will get a confirmation that the link is copied, and you can share this with anyone you want to. You can share this in website articles, you can share this on social media, directly with your network, and much more. If you want to be able to properly promote and not spend too much time on creating assets, we already have you covered. You can go to the assets, and from here you will have access to logos, banners, and all kinds of different videos. You can use this directly inside of your promotion and attach your referral link to it. If you want to view your statistics, we also have a tab for you to do so. And from here, you will be able to see all the statistics about your referral links. You can also customize the statistics by time interval. And at the bottom, you will see the sales with the customer email, the plan that they purchased, the sign up date, the status, the sales price, and the estimate commission. Finally, at the payouts tab, you will be able to see your unpaid earnings. And as you can see, at the moment, these are the earnings older than 30 days, and earnings must be older than 30 days before payouts can be issued. On the right hand side, you can fill in your PayPal email, and from here, you will be able to press the update, and then all future commissions will be transferred towards your PayPal email account.